Hey guys, my name is Tessa. In case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a booty lifter, firmer, tightener, all of that good stuff. But the bottom. I'm going to show you guys just one round of this workout for the video's sakes. However, I do recommend doing it 3 times. 3 times. It will be awesome. I definitely recommend it. So yeah, we're gonna do this. You are going to need some bands, resistance bands, and dumbbells. I sell resistance bands, so if you want some cute pink ones, just check the link down below. Let's firm, tone, tighten, lift our bodies. It's almost summer, and I don't know about you, but having like a nice lifted little bubble butt just makes me feel better in a bikini. I don't know, but yeah, let's do this together.
But you can't let go. What are you doing? You want things to go back to normal, like every day when you used to call, hit me up, yeah, just to talk, telling me I'm beautiful when I'm a messing up. Laying low on a Tuesday night, milkshake, or extra fries, cause you know I'll be eating yours when I run out of mine. But lately you've been missing from my daily. You've been missing. Taking weeks just to engage with me. Don't play with me. It's something here just ain't right, and I'm gonna need to hear you speak off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened to crazy for me. Spilling your emotional, fighting over who gets off the phone. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you. I'm gonna need to hear you. Yeah, I'm gonna need. What are you doing? You can't give the feeling up. When we couldn't afford a lift and piggybacking me 3 blocks when my feet hurt. Bet you offer this boulevard. We reasons been apart, nothing but a hug from the start. But lately, you've been missing from my daily. Taking weeks just to engage with me. Don't play with me. Yeah, something here just ain't right, and I'm gonna need to hear off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Tell me what happened, I'm crazy for me, no control. Spilling your emotional, fighting over who gets off the phone. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. Yeah, I'm gonna need to hear you. I'm gonna need to hear you. Said I'm gonna need. Word on the street is that you're talking to your old girl. Bet she can't do it like me. No, she could never be MC. Ain't that the reason that you're missing from my phone though? Bet she can't do it like me. No, she could never be MC. Off your chest with all the details. And if you lie to me, that's cheap. I'm gonna need to hear you. Tell me what happened to being crazy for me. Switched it up and now I know I'm not your only. I'm gonna need to hear you speak. I'm gonna need to hear you. I'm gonna need to hear you. Said I'm gonna need.
me karma's a thing. You had a lot of delusions, decided I was to blame. Got mad when we went our separate ways, wreaked havoc. Your ego was way too hard, you look shattered. I almost cut my finger on your sharp edges. Forget the lies you told, I hope you feel better. I didn't leave because you stopped me, I just pressed play. I bet you choose to stay in the past to say.
And that is it, guys. Super simple. Again, do it a couple times. Do it 3 times. That's what I recommend. And yeah, guys, I'd really appreciate your support on social media. I'll have all my links down below. I hope you're happy, healthy, and working towards feeling even better. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.